In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage tasks in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create tasks, assign them to teammates, track progress, and use task reports to keep your projects organized. Open the Confluence page where you want to manage your tasks. Then place your cursor where you'd like to add a task. Type Action Item and select Action Item from the menu. Enter your task, assign it to a teammate using @mention, and add a due date if needed. Repeat this process for all the tasks you want to include on the page. To view all your tasks in one place, create a new section on your page and type Task Report. Select the Task Report macro, then choose whether you want to display tasks from the current page, the entire space, or specific pages. You can also filter tasks by assignee, status, or due date to quickly find what you're looking for. If your team uses Jira, type Jira Work Items and select the macro to embed Jira issues directly into your Confluence page. Choose the project, filter, or issue you want to display so your documentation and project tracking stay connected. Keep your tasks updated by marking completed items, changing due dates when necessary, and reviewing the task report regularly to monitor progress and identify overdue work. That's how to manage tasks in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.